Assalamu alaikum everyone, and hello, hope everyone is doing all right. I'm fine. Just to update you, we are still in a lockdown and we don't know what's going to happen. We have been told by Boris Johnson that they will review in the mid of February or by the end of February, so we'll come to know what will be the next step. So far we are all enjoying our hibernation period, it seems like. We are enjoying our home cooked food, we're enjoying the winter, and we're enjoying working from home. Those who are working from home and those who are not, they are still going out to work as per the guidelines. So here I come with my another interesting recipe, onion bhajis, or you call pakoras. So the ingredients I'll be using, I've got the spinach which are finely chopped, I've got julienne cut potatoes, I've got sliced onions, I've chopped 2 green chilies, and I've chopped some coriander. If you could see here, I've ground it coarsely, this whole coriander, but if you don't have the whole corianders and if you've got the coriander powder, you can use that. And I'll be using something to make it a bit soury taste. So I'm using, this is pomegranate powder. You can use dry mango powder. If you don't have this, you can completely skip it. This is optional. This is what I like to use it in my pakoras. And the basic 4 gram, that's chickpea flour. I've only taken out 3 tablespoons in this, but I think I will need a little bit more because the amount of vegetables, cut vegetables I've got here, I will need more. So I've got this, let me add, and then I'll tell you how much exactly I've used. So I'm going to use all the chopped coriander. I'll use all these are 2 green chilies. This is 1 medium sized onion which is sliced, and 1 small baby potato which I've cut julienne. I like my spinach, so I'll see how much spinach I will need, and if I need, I'm adding a little bit more ground flour. For the spices, I'm going to put all this coarsely ground coriander. Now here comes my spice box. I'm going to use, this is 1/4 of teaspoon of turmeric. Basically it depends like whatever quantity you are making. I'm not making in a big quantity. It's for like 1 or 2 servings. So I'm using, according to my quantity, I'll be using like 1/4 of turmeric. I'm using some red chili powder, but I think like my red chili powder is finishing, so I'll use whatever I have. Seems like I've got 1 teaspoon. I will add more if I need to. Yeah, and that's it. So instead, I don't have much chili powder left. So what I'll do is I'm going to add some more chili flakes. But they're not supposed to be very hot. They should be mild so you can enjoy them. But I've got green chili, so that should compensate with the chilliness. So let me I'm just mixing this dry. Because when you're going to mix the batter with hand, make sure you just open up all these onions, because onion and potato leaves the water, so be careful with the water you put in. So it's best to put, we might need to add a little bit more flour, but we're going to see. So I've got 1 cup of water, which I'm not going to put whole of it. Basically flour, you just need to bind your vegetables, so you can just put your vegetables first and then you can put your flour. We don't need too much of flour because you want to enjoy the other things except this ground flour. So you could see it's like this. I can just add 1 tablespoon of ground flour, which I'm going to add. Let me add a little bit more. So far I have used like around 5 tablespoons of ground flour. Just be very careful with the water because you don't want to make your batter runny, because if it's runny, you won't be able to fry it. I'm going to add 1 more of it. Sorry, it's half a tablespoon. Yeah. I think with one medium onion, you just need one handful of chopped spinach. My spinach was more, so that's why I've left it, because I don't want it to be spinachy all. As because everything should be in a balanced amount, so you could enjoy it rather than one thing. It's like too gets too prominent in the taste. Okay, I forgot to add some salt, so I'm gonna have salt here. Okay, is my oil. See, I'm just gonna check the salt and other spices if I need to add a little bit more chili or salt, but yeah, let's see. I think it looks fine. Seems like everything is binded well, and I don't need more of the flour. Your flame should be low medium when you are heating up the oil, and when you are actually frying it, it should be just like a medium. Don't put on the high flame, otherwise they will just get golden from the outside and inside it will not cook properly. Seems like we need to cook the flour. I've checked the pakoras. There was the salt and chili were less, which I have added. And I'm going to show you how much we are going to add this. This we are not going to add too much. That's why you see, because this is too sour. So you see just a little bit. Yeah, that should be it. So I'm going to give a good mix again. I'm making some tea because pakoras are like, they go well with tea. This we are not going to add too much. That's why you see, because this is too sour. So you see just a little bit. Yeah, that should be it. So I'm going to give a good mix again. My tea is boiling with grated ginger, cinnamon and tea bag. So I'm going to add now milk. And let my tea to boil. Okay, for those who are not very confident to put by hand, I'll show you how you can use spoon. Seems like you're putting a dollop. Do make sure that don't put too close to the other one, because it's otherwise it will stick. And this is very good weather to enjoy the pakoras and the hot tea, because it's cold and it's been really miserable. Like some days it's raining, because yesterday it was really rainy. The tea is boiling. This has roughly taken 3 to 4 minutes to change color into golden. So be careful when you're handling with hot oil. So if you are, be very careful. If you're not confident, please do not use your fingers, use spoon. That's how you put your fingers. And after like 2-3 minutes, when you see them that they are like slightly cooked, and but yes, they will be still soft, so you can just be very carefully, you can turn them. These pakoras are ready to be taken out. You can drain them well. If you want, you can put them on the kitchen towel. I just can't wait to have them with tea. My hot pakoras with tamarind chutney and hot chai is ready to serve myself. Just to let you know, I have used this tamarind and date chutney, which you can easily get it from any store. And so this brings my vlog to an end. So I'll enjoy my pakoras and tea. And if you enjoyed watching my vlog and enjoy me making these pakoras, then do try them at home. Like my channel, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. And stay safe wherever you are. Follow your guidelines and see you next time. Bye.